Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day on this P2 V70. I don't even know if this thing is turbo, but we're going to evaluate a few things, scan code, stuff like that. Get a good grip on all the things we want to fix on it. I think it's got an instrument cluster issue, and I need to charge this battery, so let me go get my charger, plug this thing in. Today I got a helper. Her name is Sierra. She wants to help work on everything in the car. These are the codes that I have on this vehicle. I gotta sort these out, see what the initial state says. That's the initial state. And then let's go to delivery. Yeesh, got airbags, all kind of stuff. That's delivery. So I had to clear these and see what comes back. Start engine and rev it. And right now, it's holding the rev 2200. Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me shut it off. I don't know why it's holding the rev. Then restart it, let it idle for 20 seconds. That was awkward. It's idling high, should fall down soon. See how long that takes. There it goes, come on down. Come on down. No. 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 She's trying to kiss me in the face. I don't know kissing no face, Sierra. When it gets under 1,000, I'm gonna shut it down. Did I just see the gas gauge pop up? Or was that the temp gauge? Alright, that should be long enough. Now I'm going to read it out. See what comes back. Siren communication fault. I'm going to hit read all on the computer. I got this UEM. I'm going to click on that, see what that stands for. After I get a read all. At the hourglass, that's the only thing come back so far. I don't know if it's repopulated itself or not. We got to charge it at 14 volt. The battery is normally 11.6 when it's not running. Upper electronic module. Alright. What are you doing back there, Sierra? You want to go for a ride? I'm not going nowhere. I believe Sierra is a Husky Shepherd mix. And I think she's ready to go for a ride somewhere. Look at it. Look at the camera. Over here. No. No kisses. Well, that's the only thing come back, so we'll see what happens. And I'm going to watch this cluster, see if anything happens strange with it. We got some parts here. Hoses, engine mounts, torque mounts. We're going to replace these. And we got the lips to hold this hood open. So we're going to do that first. Then we're going to hit this engine mount. Then we're going to get the lower torque mount. Then we're probably going to do this hose. I think it's this hose here. And go from there. We're going to change these hood supports. You see it has a little band. Let me try to get that focus of metal there. You put the screwdriver under that and you pull out the retaining clip on these. Like that. Do the one down here, and then they pop off relatively easy. You don't want this thing to fall on you, so be careful. Let me get a smaller screwdriver, or a pick will work usually. Get that coming out. And then the new one, you could just press it on there. So, pull that one off. Wow, they're actually leaking. I heard it spray. Look at that thing. I think I've ever seen that before. Now this one, you just push it on, and it pushes on past that clip down there. Past this clip up here, get some of this garbage out of the way. Probably want to suck that out. And it's locked in place. Let's go do the other side. Maybe you'll be able to see the other side better. Look at that thing leaking. The one I just took off, sitting right there. Here? Yeah, the one up there, up closer to the window. Bring your finger, yeah, that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that thing leaking like that.
Wow, that's the old one.
Yeah. So here we go, folks. We got the new lifts.
That's it?
And they're in.
Wow, that worked great.
Quick and easy. Next up,
Aspirated.
we're going to do this engine mount here, this upper torque mount. Take that support bar off, the cover of this engine off, and then get that mount.
I said, look, I have to prioritize. I can't do it all.
Getting ready to do this mount. It's worn out. It's starting to tear. Not the worst. I've seen worse, but we're going to go ahead and replace it. We don't have a floor jack, so I'm going to raise the car, put this wood under this jack stand, lower the car onto the wood to get it off this mount so I can get this mount out. I have all the bolts broke loose. We got the wrong engine mount on this car. You see that one, I think it's for a cross country, and this one is for a standard vehicle. It's not totally blown out, which is good because I'm going to put it back on, but it mounts different, and it may even be a little higher. So see how that is different than this. So I'm going to put the proper one in the shopping cart for him to get that replaced. Lower torque mount. Well, that one actually looks pretty good. I'm going to break those two 14s loose, see if this thing drops. If it don't, I'm probably going to leave that one because it's probably a Volvo one. So let's see how that goes. Here you go. And that thing can flop around like that. It's bad. Even though it looked good, it's a bad mount. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.